So today we're going to be unboxing this monitor here. It's the Samsung SJ55W. And this is a product test sent out to me by the Insiders Network, so I appreciate them for letting me test out this product. So this is an Ultra WQHD monitor, so that means the resolution is 3440 by 1440. Very wide, ultra widescreen monitor. And benefit there is that if you're multitasking, you can actually have two full HD resolutions side by side and not have to have two separate monitors. And so another benefit of this particular model is it does something called picture by picture and picture in picture. So picture by picture is just that. It's two sources that can be displayed both simultaneously on this monitor side by side at their native resolution. And then picture in picture, you can reduce one of those sources, one of those displays down to 25%. So it's like your old school picture-in-picture television. So that's another cool feature of this. So all right, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'm going to go ahead and lean it up a little bit so you can see. You've got a little bit of instructions right here telling you where the controls are for the monitor, a little bit about how to press it to get to navigate through the menus. So go ahead and open this up. Alright, so it's packaged pretty well. You've got the power supply down here on the bottom left. You've got the stand. Go ahead and open that up. So it's a glossy black finish. Comes with a single, looks like HDMI cable, and then your instruction and warranty manual. Let's go ahead and open this up just to verify that is actually HDMI. It is. Another component of the stand right here. Go ahead and open that up completely. Again, another glossy black finish. Pop off the styrofoam. This thing is big, nice and wide. So yes, definitely well packaged. And now this is a VA type panel, so different monitor types can definitely get a little confusing. There is VA, which stands for vertical alignment. There's IPS, in-plane switching. There's TN panels. So I'm going to post a link to a good article that kind of explains the differences, because it can get a little confusing. But VA monitors like this are sort of a hybrid or halfway point between your TN panels and your IPS panels. It's got some benefits of each. It tries to overcome some of the downfalls of each. Good contrast ratios, better color than your TN panels, not quite as good of a response time, but you know, definitely some pros and cons. But check out that article; it kind of explains the differences. VA panels are definitely a good workhorse multitasking monitor, not so great for gaming, but this particular model does have a gaming mode. The response time the refresh rate is pretty low, so be interested to see how it does compare running some games on it. But yeah, so that's really it. Let's go ahead and get this put together. Alright, so I've got the stand put together. It was actually pretty straightforward, just those two pieces that kind of snap into each other, and then there's two screws. I'll lean this forward. Two screws on the bottom just to secure the base to the monitor stand. And it does seem pretty stable when it's put together. Now, it has the ports on the back here. I'll tilt it forward. You've got two HDMI ports, display port, headphones, and then the power. Those are all your ports on here. And then the controls are on the back part of it, on the back right corner. And then there is a little hook right here that allows you to fish your cables through, just to kind of keep them hidden right here, which is a nice feature. So I'll go ahead and turn that around. And it does also have a lock port if you wanted to lock up this monitor. It does have the standard Vsa mounting if you do want to wall mount this as well. So that's really the unboxing. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Like I said, I'll post that link. I'll post a link to the article that has a little bit about the different monitor types, and you can go through that. And again, thank you to the Insiders Network for sending me out this product to test. Thanks.